Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a planet in our solar system. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In American accent, we may pronounce it as Mars, with a sound of letter R in between and the sound of letter Z at the end. Mars. While, in British accent, we may pronounce it as Mars, without the sound of letter R in between and the sound of letter Z at the end. Mars. Mars is crucial in the context of space exploration, serving as a focal point for scientific research and potential future human exploration. Its similarities to Earth make it an intriguing subject for studying the possibility of life beyond our own planet. If you enjoyed learning about Mars, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.